All right, and for question 4 here, it says, what percentage of the mice do you predict to survive? So it says to survive, and in our problem up here, the number 210 represents how many survive. So 210 out of 450, and we got to change that into a percent. So 210 out of 450, let's go ahead and start that. We have 210 out of 450 mice survived. Now we want to make that a percent. So I want to put that out of 100 here if possible, because all percents are over 100. So I got to make this fraction equal to this fraction. I just got to figure out what x is going to be. All right, so to be able to do this, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the 0. I'm going to simplify if possible just to get my numbers a little bit smaller. So getting rid of the zeros is the same as dividing by 10. Then both 21 and 45 are divisible by 3. So I'm going to go ahead and change 21 to 7 and 45 to 15. Okay? And then at this point, I can't really simplify any further, so I'm going to cross multiply. So 15 times x is 15x, and 7 times 100 is 700. So I have 15x is equal to 700. Now at this point I just have to divide both sides by 15 to get my final answer for x. And when I go ahead and do, I'll grab my calculator, and when I do 700 divided by 15, I get 46.6666666. So what that ends up being is 46.7 if I round to the nearest tenth, or I can say 46.6 repeating percent. So as I go ahead and type this in here, that's going to be 46.6 repeating percent, or 46.7%. Okay? So again, when you go ahead and type it in, though, to go formative, you can't really type it in with the bar over the top. So you'll just need to go ahead and type in 46.7% and round that to the nearest tenth. So this is the only answer that go formative would allow.